Attack by gunmen. As you can see, they came to the station, they attacked the station, and they blast everywhere. Can you see? They blast this station and it crashed down. It was a very, very serious one. Everywhere was burnt down. Cars, vehicles, the station was burnt down. It was a serious issue last night. Everybody was running up and down. Yeah, and scattered. Nobody was able to sleep. But we thank God. We thank God for lives. Can you see? This vehicle has been burnt down. Vehicles has been burnt down. Vehicles and motorcycles. So the serious issue. Can you see motorcycles? Can you see motorcycles? Can you see? This is Ipele or Ondo state. Nobody was able to sleep. Nobody. Brother me. Yes, sir. Nobody was unable to sleep. It was a serious one. And you see people are just coming out now this morning because education. So this police station was built then by late High Chief, was educated by late High Chief S.A. Diary. So it was Dairo's family that built this station for Ipele then. So now the gunmen, they came last night. That is on the 31st of December 2025. It was a very critical one. We were hearing gun shooting and something like dynamite, whether it's bomb or dynamite, as you can see, dynamite. They burnt vehicles, burnt motorcycles, and but we thank God, I think nobody died. So we thank God for lives. Nobody died. Let me go to the back of the station so that you can all see. This is inside the station. Can you see? Everywhere got scattered. Jesus.